Good morning, everyone. So, in today's class, we must have to learn about a particular topic. Everybody knows about what that exact meaning. Okay. Then now we have to move on. We just must have to be gain some energy to learn this kind of topic. Okay. Don't make these kind of sad faces. Just make a smile. Then we will have to learn about it. What is the exact meaning of the human reproduction? Can anybody tell me what is the exact meaning? Natasha, can tell me what is the meaning of reproduction? Don't just about the human. Just tell me what is the exact meaning of reproduction. Wonderful. What is the exact meaning? That re means again. Okay. Re means again. Production means formation. Again formation. We must have to be learn in which case? In the case of human reproduction, it means that again formation. We must have to be increasing the population by the help of this process, right? Now we must have to be learn about, before we have to be started that particular topic, we must have to be learn about humans are a viviparous or oviparous. Can anybody tell me humans are viviparous or oviparous? Very good. These are the viviparous organism. These are the viviparous. That means they are giving birth to young ones. They are directly giving them. They are not having any eggs. They are directly giving the young ones. That particular simple meaning is like the directly बच्चा पैदा होना. Right? Now we must have to be learn about that particular topic. Now we go to that one important topic. That name is the reproductive events. What is the exact meaning of reproductive events? Can anybody tell me? Wonderful. Now can anybody tell me what is the exact meaning of event? We must have to be learn in the reproductive event, right? Chalo. Now tell me what is the exact meaning of event? Tell me. Everybody is not about the event. Your school, your classes, everywhere they have to be some organizing, some functions, right? So these are the events. Now you can attend the marriage function. There are different kinds of functions. There is a mehndi function, there is a haldi function, right? These functions are organized in the events. At that time, this something will be happening. At that time, this something will be happening. Why are you laughing? Events here. I know that. Events. Okay. Reproductive events. Now we must have to learn about that particular first event. That name is the gametogenesis. What is the exact meaning of gametogenesis? Can anybody tell me? Just keep your eye on the blackboard, right? Gametogenesis. What is the meaning of that? Gamete, right? Gametegenesis. That means the formation or production, right? Formation of production for what? Gamete formation. That process is known as gametogenesis. Wonderful. That process is known as gametogenesis. Can anybody tell me what is the exact formation of gametes is occur in male or female? Tell me the answer. Is it occur in male or female? Wonderful. Is it occur in male as well as in female? Now we can. It is occur in male as well as in female. Right? Now, in male what will happen? In female what will happen? Can anybody tell me which kind of gamete will be formed in male? Which kind of gamete formed in female? Can anybody tell me the answer? Wonderful. In male there is a formation of sperm. Right? In female there is a formation of ovum. Formation of ovum and formation of sperm. What is a sperm and what is a ovum? These are the gametes. Then sperm production is occurring male. The male gamete is a sperm. Then ovum production is occurring female. Then ovum is a gamete of female. Right? Now, what is the complete process of formation of sperm and formation of ova. Formation of sperm is simply called as spermatogenesis. What we have to be called? Spermatogenesis. What about formation of ovum? It is simply called as oogenesis. Can anybody give me a brief description about what is the exact meaning of gametogenesis? Wonderful. Gametogenesis is for what? Formation of gametes, right? Is it occurring male or female or single or both? Is it occurring both male and female also? Okay. The formation of sperm is known as a spermatogenesis. Then formation of ovum is known as a oogenesis. Clear? Now we must have to be moved to the next event. Is it clear? Write it down in the notebook. Wonderful. Now we must have to be go to the next event. That process is known as insemination. That process is known as insemination. It is a second event. Before we have to be moved to the second event, we must have to be learn about the symbol of male as well as in female. Can anybody tell me what is the symbol of that and what is the symbol of that? How to identify, is it a male or is it a female? Is it a male or is it a female? Can anybody give me an answer? Natasha, tell. Don't laugh, na? Tell me the answer. It is a male or female? It is a male or female? Now I just give you one trick to learn these symbols easily. Okay, this is the for male and this is for the female, right? Now how to recognize, is it for everybody has heard about Mahabharata, right? In Mahabharata there is a one character is playing by the Arjun. Now Arjun, just recall that Mahabharata, Arjun is there, right? Arjun is always throwing the arrow, then arrow is thrown by Arjun. Then Arjun having a which kind of gender, male or female? Bolo, is the male. What about this topic and this symbol? Every family having a mother will balancing everything. Then cross will showing these are the balancing everything. You know na, females are very ridiculous. They are always maintain each and everything in their family as well as in their sectors, right? Then this is for male and this is for female, right? Great, thank you. It is a very trick, not very small. We can easily learn about that particular thing. So now we must have to be moved to the insemination. What is the exact meaning of insemination? Can anybody tell me the answer? You must have to be learn about the female reproductive system and male reproductive system in the previous class. Now I must have to be draw. What is it? Can anybody tell me the answer? Right? Okay. Now, this is a female reproductive system. It is a running diagram. Don't go with the what kind of design cell you have to be drawn. This is not proper. Don't take that. That's just clear the topic. Okay, we must have to be learn about the insemination. Insemination is the process when male transfer their sperm into the female genital tract. Right? Transferring of sperm into the female genital tract. Right? Into the female genital tract. How they will be entering the female genital tract. Now you must have to be think like that. It is a male reproductive organ, or male genitalia, right? Then male is when at the time of coitus, at the time of reproduction, right? Male will inserting their penis over there at a particular area. Now he must have to be release their sperm over there, right? Now sperm penis will be removed out from that particular area. Sperm will be released. That sperm will be released or transferring into the female genital tract. That process is known as insemination. Clear? This diagram is a very important. You must have to be learn each and every reproductive event in that particular diagram. Right? Now this is the insemination. Now we must have to be learn about the second event or third event. That event is known as fertilization. What is the event? Fertilization. Can anybody tell me the answer? What is the exact meaning of fertilization? You must have. Fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes for what? Fusion of male and female gametes is known as the fertilization. We must have to be learned and we have to be written in the notebook also. Fusion of male and female gametes. What is the gametes? Very good. I thought you must have to be forgot, but you learn. Okay? Gametes is the sperm and ova. Right? Then gamete will be fused. Then what they will be formed? They form a zygote. What they form? Zygote. How it will be happen? How it will be formed zygote? Then male and female gamete will be fused. They form a zygote. Right? Now you must have to be learn. There is a sperm. Sperm will be moving in this direction, and that they will be reached in that particular area. What is that particular area? Wonderful, very good. It's an ampulla. Then sperm will be reached over there in the ampullary region. Sperm will be reached in the ampullary region. From here, ovary will release ova. Ovary will release ova. Then sperm and ova will fuse. They form a zygote. Great. Then they form a zygote. That process is known as the fertilization. Right? Then zygote is followed by the one stage or one development stage which is known as the blastocyst. Which is known as the development of blastocyst. Right? Development of blastocyst. Right? Now we must have to be learn about gametogenesis, insemination and fertilization. In fertilization we must have to be learn how zygote will be formed. Right? Now zygote will be formed there. Zygote will be formed. What will be happen in the fourth step? Right? Now fourth step is that now that step is called as now I can remove that. Okay. Right? Now third step is released known as okay. It's known as the implantation. What is the exact meaning of implantation? Everybody knows about the plantation. What is the plantation? We must have to be grow one there, one here, one there, right? What is the full form or we can say the explanation of the implantation? It is a simple meaning attachment of what? Attachment of blastocyst. Okay? Attachment of blastocyst to uterine wall. Now let me explain and you can write in the note. Zygote will be formed here. Okay? Now I can draw the zygote. Okay? Zygote will be formed. Right? We are learning the implantation. Then zygote or the developing stage of blastocyst, it attach over there. It attached over there. Now I can remove from there. Okay? Now, this is the particular process is known as the implantation. Right? Now after implantation, there is a one event must also occur. The process is known as what? Implantation would occur. Then what will be happen? Growth. Wonderful. But growth, but we cannot considering growth in the events. We must have to be called as gestation. gestation. This is not acidic gestation. This is a stage or this is an event which is occur in the human reproduction. What is the gestation? Implantation would occur, right? Now implantation would occur. It is a gestation is a process, is a development of embryo. Development of what? Development of embryo. Implantation would occur. Now after implantation, right, it is a development, right? Now gestation is the process, is the development of embryo is known as a gestation. Now we must have to be learn last point, which is known as the parturition, which is called as a parturition. What is the exact meaning of parturition? Where is the energy? Don't give up right now. Just it is the last point, right? You must have to be learn what is the parturition. What is the parturition? Can anybody tell me? Development would occur, right? What is the parturition? Then baby will be fully developed. Then it will be out from the body, right? Then development or delivery of the baby is known as a parturition. Easily, delivery of baby is known as a parturition. Now embryo will be full developed, baby will be full developed, it will be stuck there, then female body, then labor pain would occur, then labor pain is an indication of baby delivery. Then in a biologically we are saying not delivery, we are saying as a parturition. Shut up, you are paying for need. Then why are you calling a baby delivery? You must have to be called parturition. Okay? Now we must have to be learn what is the process which is occur in the reproductive event. It is all about reproductive event. Don't go with that how to learn, how to recognize, how to summarize in that particular thing. It is a very easy and quick revision. We must have to be learning that is a simple particular area. Now we must have to be learn a reproductive event. How many reproductive events would occur? Can anybody give me an answer? Don't make a smile, sad face. Just tell me the answer. These are the 6 events. Okay, 6 events. Sometime in the NEET exam, they must have to be asking how many events would occur. Number will be a 6. And can anybody give me an answer? We can jumble the events from here and there. Then parturition is our first event and gametogenesis is in our last event. That will be happen. No. Wonderful. These events are occur in the series. First will be gametogenesis, that will be fixed. Okay. First will be gametogenesis, single word. Then next one is insemination. Next is insemination. After insemination, fertilization. Great. After fertilization, what will be happen? It will be implantation. What will be? Implantation. Okay. After implantation, can anybody give me an answer? Don't say it growth. It is a gestation. Then what is the last event? Don't tell me delivery. It's the parturition. Okay. These 6 events are occur in the series. Right? Gametogenesis is easy. Insemination, fertilization, implantation, gestation, and the parturition. What is it? These are the reproductive events. Right? Now in second class, we must have to be learn about the male reproductive system. Till that topic, reproductive event, everything will be clear.